morning everyone. About to begin another surgery. This patient comes with very genuine complaints. The first being with respect to his nose. His complaint is his nose is bent. We can see on the exterior and even on the scan in the interior also it's bent. Already there's a history of septoplasty which was done years back. Breathing issues are not there very specifically at present, but obviously he wants cosmetic improvement because his nose is bent, his nose is a little broad over here, plus the alar fair, the width is also a little on the higher side. Apart from the nose, what bothers him is also his lower third of the face. If we see, the lower third is quite short or small. If he turns to one side, we can see he has a small chin vertically as well as horizontally. So we are going to advance the chin in both dimensions. Apart from that, there is a slight asymmetry in the chin, in the jawline specifically on both sides. The malar bone are not proportional on both the sides. There is fullness on one and there is a slight depression on the other. We have also told him about how the upper jaw can also improve his appearance. As of now, we have planned for a rhinoplasty, a genioplasty, some jaw sculpting on both the sides for the asymmetric correction. We will also be working on the lower border of the mandible. So, it is quite a work for him. It will be sort of a face makeover. Thank you.
Lower third of the face by 1 centimeter, reduce the width of his face by about 8 to 10 millimeters, and also make the angle more proportional, about 120 degrees. Going towards the left, the rest of nose was going towards the right. I mentioned earlier that this was a revision case. A couple of years ago, patient had some work on the septum, he said, elsewhere. And that's how he looked before we started. So you can see the difference. So yes, it was broad. More importantly, the deviation, the whole bony aspect of the nose was towards the right side of his face. That was the long axis. And then of course, the tip wasn't pointy. Wasn't on the midline. This was there towards the other side, so we fixed that. You can see now. Also done a little bit of alar base work to narrow and to get a good relation between the columella show and the alar base. We also have another view from this view, so you can see that. Yeah, this is good to show that. So you can see in this how much of the deviation there was, and the entire bony structure, the pyramidal point was on this way, and then now it's made straight. You can also appreciate the alar base correction, the tip from the basal view. Deformed nose or a deviated nose, open structure rhinoplasty, osteotomies. So we're going to show you how he was before we started. We've also done rhinoplasty at the same time, but we're going to take off this first. And this is the painful procedure that we're right now doing. Yeah, you can see how he looked before we started. And this is a procedure that involves the bone, the lower jaw, the mandible, involves muscles, the masseter especially, because this is the muscle that gives bulkiness to the angle of the jaw. So we worked on that. I don't remove that muscle entirely, but for patients that need, we remove a part of it sagittally. When I say sagittally, it's like sliced into half, and the part of the muscle that is there closer to the skin is left intact on the patient's body, but the other part that's there closer to the bone is usually removed as need be. So we could sagittally split 5 mm, you could sagittally split a little bit more, you could just leave a small piece of the muscle behind, depending on the hypertrophic aspect of the muscle, depending on the need of the patient, depending on how much of the bone we're going to contour and etc. Sorry again, this is ये तो अभी पूरा सूखा हुआ है, बट फिर भी देखो अब मिरर में ये बाल जो है ना इसके अंदर जो ग्रो हुआ है तो वो yeah, so it's gonna hurt you a little bit more. I'm sorry. Oh shucks, I can feel the hair breaking, you know, and the okay. Last thing, maybe just the last bit. Okay, wow, finally there's a lot of relief, है ना? Yeah. It's like you've got some nice breathing space. Okay, I'm gonna look inside. That looks good. Okay, we quickly go for the nose. The nose is not gonna hurt as much, so we're just gonna use the Q-tip from beneath. So you remember you had some deviated nose, yeah? You can have a look at the nose also now. So, what do you think?
It's gonna be this narrow?
No, it's going to get a little bit more wide. Wider than this a little bit, not that narrow. But see, it's bang straight. I'm going to give that. You can see in the view. So we look at the nose first. It was deviated. You had septal issues, all of that fixed. And, well, I think that will be a nose now that you have will not attract any attention. May not be the best nose in the world, but I'm sure it will look straight. It'll look in a good proportion to your face, you know? And you see one more very important thing I did tell you, this grooving will come off. Fresh, full. Makes a big difference. Because when I've done the Ela base, thoda tightening kiya hai yahan pe. And then other thing I told you around the eye also. Because we're augmenting, this area gets stretched. So that look becomes fresher there. These are all indirect benefits of doing a little lifting because your skin is all linked, you know. When you pull here, this medial canthus we call, you can see that here also. This is some grooving, all that finer things. So overall it adds a lot of freshness.
So these grooving are gonna reduce from what I had before?
Yes. Now it is very minimal because it's swelling. It will increase, but never to this level. This level it will go after 10 years or after a long time. Alright, then with the chin, you see we've improved the proportions. I want to show you some so the subscribers use some. Look at that side view. Look at that. So it was straight and short, now it's angular and long. So you look like really nice on the side. Once this heals, maximum swelling will come down in this area. क्यों? Muscle में भी काम किया इसके वजह से, है ना? So this area was really going to go in. It's going to take probably 2 weeks. Sorry, 2 months. It's going to take longer. Chin में कम होगा swelling. I mean कम reduce होगा क्योंकि हड्डी है ज़्यादा.
This part is actually very swollen right now. The entire.
Because soft tissue, all the muscles everywhere. Here also you see. अभी भी आपको bruising and that's all normal effect of the surgery आपको. We'll probably show you other side also. ये this side दिखाओ ना please. Again, see the difference. So
Part looks more swollen. No?
yeah, that can happen. One side little bit more bruising than the other. All of that. That is all. And now we'll also show you the scans because then we'll measure and show you कि कितना कितना फर्क हुआ आपके पूरा facial skeleton का height बदला है lower third में. ठीक है ना? बढ़िया रिजल्ट आएगा. बढ़िया है नहीं. नहीं you can touch but ऐसा नहीं धीरे से. हाँ धीरे से क्योंकि प्यार से करना 4 हफ्ता लगेगा हीलिंग के लिए. आप जल्दी में उसको इसे वैसे मत मोड़ो.
Is it looking a little bent here or something?
Well, I think it's by and large straight. Maybe there's a 1 millimeter थोड़ा सा अगर doesn't look to me it's fine. यहाँ पे पूरा swelling अभी निकालने के बाद ना सूजन आ रहा है तो I think we'll wait.
It is little. I'm feeling that
It's bent towards the left.
towards the right. This going like this.
I think it's fine. We just wait for some time to. Because when you remove it was exactly straight. It will be fine. नहीं अच्छा है. நேசிவின் ட்ராப்ஸ் போட்டிருக்கலாம் உங்களுக்கு. சரி இதெல்லாம் க்ளீன் பண்ணிடுங்க. we're going to clean all of this. Take off these sutures and it's done also, right? Chart. So minimum 4 weeks don't exercise please.
Yeah.
Take good rest. Only for nose I tell that, but now for you multiple procedures have been done together. More procedures have been done. Extra 1 week per procedure is what is the algorithm. So it comes to 6 weeks at least for you.
Okay.
So take good rest because you know you're traveling to another city. Troubleshooting is possible, but never like me seeing you in person. Because that's why we keep you for 7-8 days. But even after that, if there's any issue, we have a separate dedicated number for the doctor. You can message, and even after that, we will tell you what to do. Sometimes the best advice is to show a local doctor. You know, because seeing and touching is most important in our field. Not always on a WhatsApp or not always like that. So we will give you the best advice at that point in time, whatever there is, if there is any, and please respond and follow accordingly. And after 4 to 5 weeks, generally when everything goes, there will be no issues के बाद. It will just totally heal. If you think there's a little bit thing there, I can put a tape for you there, and then that tape you can remove once you go back to your home after 3-4 days. Let them remove all the sutures. अगर आपको लग रहा है 1 मिलीमीटर 2 मिलीमीटर वहाँ पे है, टेप लगा सकते हैं. वो लगा था. We'll put a small tape there. The tape is just to keep it like that for some more time. It's moldable right now. Haddi is a little bit moldable now if you see, because you know when it's fractured and when it's molded on top and kept, it will not heal in 7 days.
Yeah.
So now if I apply pressure, it will move off fully. So gentle pressure will apply little pressure over a period of few days, and that 1 millimeter we'll put that for you then.
Okay.
After we remove the sutures. ठीक है ना? All right. So thank you. ये आपका बिफोर का स्कैन है. देख लिए अभिषेक कुमार 7/17 तो 17 को लिया है, और ये है 28/7 तो 11 दिन बाद. ठीक है ना? अब आप पहले जिस मैं स्टार्ट करते हैं. आप देखो मैं आपको पहला चिन का है, तो चिन ऐसा था, अभी ऐसा हुआ है, और फिर साइड में आपको दिखाऊंगा. ये देखो यहाँ पे देखो कैसा शेप है. तो यहाँ बोन हैज़ बीन रिमूव्ड बाय 1 mm. और यहाँ पे डेंसिटी देखो, बोन का डेंसिटी.
Okay.
डेंसिटी कम है. ओके. और
Thickness
थिकनेस रिड्यूस हुआ है.
Okay.
और ये दूसरी साइड पे सिमिलर प्रोसीजर. तो जब बिकॉज दिस हैज़ बीन रिमूव्ड आपका ये ओवरऑल लेंथ बढ़ गया है.
अच्छा.
अब ऐसा देखो आप, ये लेंथ आपका लोअर जॉ यहाँ से यहाँ तक था, अब आपका यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, बिकॉज ये एडवांसमेंट है और ये बिकॉज कॉन्टूरिंग किया है, तो दैट्स वाई दैट लेंथ हैज इंक्रीज्ड और ये एंगल भी इंक्रीज हुआ है. ओके, अभी वील गो टू सम अदर व्यू. आई विल शो यू. दिस इज लाइक अ OPG, मतलब you can see the general outline. You can't make out much, but still you can see. But 4 screws are there and 2 plates are there. Okay. Yeah, if your mom wants, she can come and see. Okay, then I'll show you the cut here. So this is the cut of the chin. Okay. So we will show you the amount of around 11 millimeters we've gained in the chin region. And
11 advancement or?
Yeah, finally around advancement level. Vertical bhi hai. If you see vertical, maybe about 4 mm is there. I'll check that. गलत है. Yeah, about 4 mm vertical. Okay, then we can compare the angle for you. So you see, this is this area. This is the one before, after. You can see there will be less bone seen here. Okay, now we're coming forward onto the mandible. Okay, we can go to another view for measuring that. So we can go on this. Okay. So you see now what has happened. This is the angle, but we are cutting the slices like this. This is the lower jaw in this height. Okay. So this is the part between the lower border and the tooth.
This thing.
Yeah, exactly. Now you see the distance here. That was before surgery. Okay. About 5 mm. I told you 5. Actually, in some areas, is 1 centimeter also we've removed. So depending on the cut, because it's a continuous thing, no? I'll show you that also. It's the same tooth, but you can constantly see the height of bone is lesser. This is lesser than that.
And muscles work is done on both sides or?
Both sides, but this is the muscle thickness that you can see, but we can't see muscle clearly on this scan because it's a bony scan. It doesn't have a muscle window. But another thing what happens with the muscle is, even when you remove some muscle or work on the muscle gets more swollen because of the edema, and it actually looks bigger than before, and the scan will just show what is there. So for the muscle to regress, you have to wait for a few weeks. This all will go down like a lot. You see how much will go down very nicely.
So overall angle जो था, as in like my entire face was slightly towards the right. That
Corrected, no?
That will improve. Right now I can't make it because of the
swelling. No, that is all corrected. That mild asymmetry we have fixed also.
Because अभी तो इधर ज़्यादा swollen है.
Yeah.
It looks more asymmetrical, to be honest, right now.
This is your nose now. So because we did nasal osteotomies. See, the swelling, how much is showing on the nose. It was like that. It will all open up. And these are the osteotomy sites, you know. Look carefully how it was. Okay, can you see that area? See this area.
Swollen.
See this? No, not swollen, fractured. This is an oval area, oval, okay?
Okay.
This bone is gone in, it was here, it was inside now.
Oh, okay, okay.
So I've fractured the bone and moved it inside. 3 millimeters.
This bone.
Ah, so it has gone in, but not like you thinking it's gone too much. Gone in by 3 mm. So here also 3 mm, here also 3 mm. And further there is a one more small crack here. I have to compress it. But it's all fine, there's no problems with that. The deviation is very obvious here, it's already made straight. The bony structure I'm saying, see the bone? Bend, straight. So how do you make a bent nose straight? You fracture it in many places, you break it. So 1, 2, for 3, 4 pieces the bones are broken. And once it breaks, then you keep it in the way you want and stabilize it. So that's why the change has been brought up. That's why you have to be careful with the healing. Okay?
लिंक के बाद वो सब ज्वाइन हो जाएगा.
हाँ सर, वो सब ज्वाइन हो जाएगा. मैडम को तो बिल्कुल नहीं आना.
Sir, and this tip is going to reduce or it's going to be this swollen only?
10% reduce, 10-15%.
Isn't it looking a little bulbous?
No, it will be much better than before. But it won't be like a super pointy tip, but it will be nice. Steric strip ko I'm going to apply that tape, and you want it, right? That little tape, I'll apply that.
How long should I keep it?
2-3 days. But only one problem, the airlines people sometimes ask, seeing this kya hua hai and all that stuff. So if they ask, you just tell, why don't you give him a fitness to travel certificate? It's better that you have one fitness to travel certificate. So